everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm Tara with Piece of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you, I had a couple of issues a while back with my mix that I was using for my pouring medium on the Bloom recipe here. I was having problems with I had the Valspar and the Behr that I was using mixed together, Behr 8300 and Valspar, the deep base, as my pouring medium 50-50 because I had seen others use that successfully. And so I tried that, and I was still wetting my pigments with the Josanya gloss varnish, and I was just having so many issues with my cells melting. And so I basically tried an experiment. So I did this. This is the recipe that I was using, the Behr and the Josanya and the Valspar all mixed together. And I loved the composition of this one. I was so happy with, I did the blowout and I tilted the center of this composition off to like kind of the corner, and I loved the way that this one turned out. And I was really excited because it just was so pretty. I love that Burnt Sierra and the Persephone, which were the new pigments. And I was really just loving it. And so after I tilted them, this one out, I just was really excited to see how this one was gonna dry. And when it dried, I was so bummed. And you'll see that in the very end. You gotta stick around for the end because I will show you the final result. But I'm gonna let you guys watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to spin this one out, and you'll see me tilt it, and I will pop back in the wet result. So you guys can see these results are really pretty. I love the way that the composition was a little off center, that Burnt Sierra and that Persephone really popped. I think I used magenta in this one and it was so pretty. But you can already see that the cells are starting to melt. And so that's when I was kind of like, no, I don't know what to do. And so I tried another experiment. So basically, this is the same color combo as I used in that first combo, but I only used the Valspar mixed with the paints and the pigments. That's all I used for the pouring medium. And then I used no Josanya gloss varnish when I dispersed the pigments. I dispersed them directly into GAC 100, and then I went ahead and mixed them with the pouring medium. And then also you'll see I used a different hair dryer on this one. I used the other one. It's got a an attachment, a diverter or a concentrator attachment. This one I used because I was like, yeah, let's just try this out. This is the hair dryer that Karen from Waterfall Acrylics uses. I bought it a while back and I thought, oh, I might as well try it again here with this type of blowout. I don't think it was my favorite blowout, but this technique with this hair dryer without the diverter takes a lot of practice. So if you don't get it right the first time, like me, just keep practicing. It will take some time to kind of work that out. But in this one, I wasn't looking so much at the composition as looking at the results to make sure that the cells didn't melt. I was just really frustrated at this point in my blooming journey because I did fine. Everything was great. And then all of a sudden it wasn't. And so I'm not sure what happened. But for some reason the Josanya just really started melting a lot. And I was having so many problems with it. So anyway, I decided to try without it, and I'm really happy that I did because the results without the Josanya gloss varnish are really great. My composition on this one I wasn't super excited about. I feel like I've done better, but I was happy that I've figured out the problem. And again, you'll see in the final results that the Josanya for me and for my recipe and for whatever my circumstances are here are that the Josanya just did not work out great. But that's just for me. Other people, it works fine. They don't have any problems. So I don't know why for me it didn't really work out, but I really am happy that I figured it out. And maybe there's others out there like me that are having the same issues. So I just wanted to share this one with you. You see, this turned out really pretty. Those results are so gorgeous with just the Valspar as the pouring medium. So I am actually teaching this technique at the Fluid Art Experience May 23rd through 25th. Come check it out. Come look at the website because it's an amazing time. And here you see, look at the melting and the grossness of the center of this bloom. I loved the composition of this when I finished it, and when it dried, I was so disappointed. And so I had to go back to the drawing board and be like, what is going on? And I'm glad I did, because look at the difference in the cells on this one. They're normal. They didn't melt. I didn't have any problem with drying. Like, it all turned out good. I mean, composition could probably be better, but I loved how I was able to figure this one out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. Check it out. Check out the Fluid Art Experience, and I hope to see you guys there. You guys have a great one. Bye, y'all.